Here's a little tool that you might find useful. I made this just out of a screwdriver. You can see how that is there. Basically, I just took a regular screwdriver, heated it up with a little like soldering torch, what I used to light my smokers, and bent it into this shape. And the reason it's bent into this shape is for cleaning the grooves in frames. So it puts you at the right angle to get in there and scrape all that stuff out like that. Whereas what I used to do before is I would just use a knife, you know what I mean, or whatever, and you get in the groove, but it doesn't work that well because it doesn't fit in there. So I made this. Quick and easy, works pretty good. These had some wax starter in them, but I'm gonna go ahead and put some plastic foundation in there instead. So. This one easy way to keep plastic foundation in these older style frames. See, these are just cut all the way through, so this plastic foundation, if I don't do anything, will just fall right out the bottom, right? But instead of trying to hold an itty bitty nail or anything like that, you can just simply use a stapler with a nail that's just long enough to go through the wood. Usually it'll kind of stop when it hits the plastic, or it doesn't always go through or whatever. Kind of help it there, and as you can see, it's held together good enough. Right there, you can kind of see it squeezed together where it's a little bit wider on the outside, and that's enough to hold it in place. The bees will go ahead and build their wax, and it's not going anywhere. The air nailer like this is just a little bit too much for those. Even if you buy the little smaller nails, and you got to adjust the air down. I think it's just